The Elitech DMG-1B digital manifold gauge set for AC maintenance in the HVAC refrigeration industry. The DMG-3B is the upgraded version of the DMG-1B with the same functions. The set comes with a PG-30 low pressure gauge, a PG-30 high pressure gauge, a corkscrew, a valve wrench, 3 hoses, a user manual, and a portable case. Install the pressure gauge to the refrigeration system. Turn on the unit. It will show the real-time pressure value and the saturation temperature. Press the 0 button to reset the reading. Press the Set button to set the temperature unit, the auto off time, and the backlight off time. Press the triangle button to switch the unit of measurement. We have 6 units of measurement to choose from: MPa, kPa, bar, PSI, kilograms per square centimeter, centimeters per mercury. The unit has a high pressure alarm and a low battery indicator. Alarm will display on the top right of the screen if the red gauge pressure goes above 800 psi and the blue gauge above 500 psi. When the low battery indicator flashes, change the batteries as soon as possible. The battery cover can be found after removing the protection.